Unlock the power of professional e-signatures by expertly preparing your Adobe Illustrator designs for Docusign. First, let's ensure your Illustrator document is perfectly formatted for Docusign. Open your design in Adobe Illustrator. We need to make sure everything is set up for a clean export. Go to Window, then Artboards. Ensure you have one primary artboard. This artboard will be your exported document footprint. If you have multiple, delete any unused ones to avoid confusion. Next, check your color settings. Navigate to Edit. Then Color Settings. Make sure your document is set to RGB color, while Docusign can handle CMYK. RGB generally produces more consistent results across different viewing platforms. Now it's time to export. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export for Screens. This is the most efficient way to get exactly what you need. In the Export for Screens dialog, ensure your artboard is selected under the scales. Choose 1x for format. We'll typically use PNG or JPG, as these are widely compatible for documents with solid graphics and minimal gradients. PNG is excellent if you have photographic elements or complex color blends. JPG can be a good choice. Designate a clear destination folder on your computer where you'll save your exported file. This keeps things organized. Click Export Artboard. Your document is now ready for Docusign. You can now upload this file directly into your Docusign envelope. Docusign will recognize the dimensions and content, allowing you to seamlessly add signature, date, and text fields for a professional and streamlined e-signature process.